Namaste.
Welcome. Welcome to Today Also Cincai Cook channel.
So today, you think we are so rude to eating potato chips and topping?
Who asked me to eat the potato chips so I eat lah. She says it's part of the preparation. So what are we cooking today?
Today we are cooking Spanish omelette.
Spanish omelette. Huh? Again? What Japanese lah? Last week was the Malaysian chicken rice and today the Spanish omelette. When are you going to cook Japanese?
Okay, sorry, Ada. Today one also Japanese Spanish omelette.
Oh, I see.
Stop now.
Okay, so for diet purposes, you can eat half and the rest you can use it to cook tomorrow. And you're still scared of getting fat, never mind, do yoga after this. Okay? Alright, let's start. Ingredients are flexible today. Your favorite potato chips, we like cheese, cherry tomatoes, spring onions, but eggs are compulsory. First, cut the spring onion. Next, cut the cherry tomatoes. Crack the eggs into a bowl. Then whisk it until well blended. Smash the potato chips. Put the packets into a pot and put your favorite ingredients into each packet. Now pour the eggs into the packet. 2 eggs for the smaller ones and 3 eggs for the bigger size. Stir the ingredients evenly. Pour the water into the pot, but not too much water. Now close the packet and seal it with a clip. Now turn on the fire. It's done! Itadakimasu.
Okay, I try already this one barbecue one with cheese one.
And I'll try this spring onion and salted fish.
Not so tough fish, yeah.
Salted
really,
egg. Salted egg. Sorry. Oh, tastes very nice.
This one really potato chips become potato.
Yeah.
And that's why Spanish so called Spanish Omelette.
You can dip it into the ketchup also. Tastes very nice.
Malaysia everything dip in the ketchup. I don't know why.